With the new SyncUP Drive, you can rest assured your car is secure and in tip-top shape day and night, with location tracking, a vehicle health dashboard, trip overviews, and more, right from your T-Mobile phone. Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're going to take a closer look at all of the amazing features SyncUP Drive has to offer. And best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide network. Now, setting up your SyncUP Drive is quick and easy. First, you'll download the SyncUP Drive app to your phone. Then you'll follow the setup prompts to create an account. Next, scan the barcode on the back of your SyncUP Drive to add your car. And last, plug in your SyncUP Drive into your car's OBD2 port, onboard diagnostics port, located right below the steering wheel, and watch it sync up with your app. Check it out. The overview screen of your SyncUP Drive app shows you the location and status of your car in real time with Google Maps. Fuel Finder is a great feature that pulls up the latest gas prices so you can find the best deal and even gives you directions to the station. You can customize your search by fuel type, pricing, or by distance. The Health feature notifies you if your SyncUP Drive detects anything wrong with your vehicle, so you can make an appointment with your mechanic. Now, the Battery feature keeps you up to date on your car's battery health. You can receive notifications and alerts if your battery is trending low or if its current voltage might require a tow. Now, each SyncUP Drive is equipped with its own secure Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can connect your Wi-Fi connected devices while on the go. You can access the fully customizable Wi-Fi name and password through the hotspot icon. With the Timeline feature, you can keep track of the trips you and your vehicle take, view the mapped out route, starting and ending address, distance driven, duration of drive, and even the average speed during the trip. For you parents out there, you can also view driving behaviors, including rapid acceleration or harsh braking, and what the max speed was. Uh-oh! Your app can even notify you whenever a trip starts or a disturbance has been detected. The Services icon lets you access Roadside Assist with AAA that comes free with your SyncUP Drive account. You can also access the Gas Station Finder for fuel prices and directions in this area. T-Mobile's SyncUP Drive, helping you rest assured your car is secure and in tip-top shape day and night with location tracking, trip overviews, and more, all right from your T-Mobile phone. You can pick up a SyncUP Drive at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at T-Mobile.com. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.